Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today I am going to show you a bunch of likely vintage inspired hairstyles that are perfect for wearing in summer for a little bit of hair and head protection. This video is kindly sponsored by Function of Beauty, so I'll tell you a little bit more about them later. But the hairstyles that I'm going to share with you today are all meant to help shield your hair and head from the sun if you are to go out on really hot, scorching summer days. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the first hair tutorial. For the first style, I'm going to pull all of my hair to the side and tie it into a ponytail using a hair elastic. I'm then going to twist this hair and twist it into a little cinnamon bun, just a very simple basic bun. You could do whatever bun you preferred, braided, rope braided, as long as it's a bun, you're good to go. But I'm just going for a simple one here. Looks a little something like this. So then I'm going to go in with a scarf, and this is a long rectangular scarf which I'm going to wrap over my head and then tie into a knot at the bottom. If it keeps slipping down, as it does for me, you can just slide in a bobby pin on the opposite side. That will hold it down a little bit. So I'm going to tie a double knot on the side where the bun is, and that is the first hairstyle done. Really quick, really simple. For the second style, I am going to separate out a section on the front of my hair. If you don't have bangs, then just take the entire front of your hair. I'm going to backcomb this to create a little poof. So I'm then going to pull it back and pin this down with a bobby pin. And then of course do the same thing on the other side to make this nice and symmetrical. So I'm just carefully backcombing, then pulling it back and pinning it down. Then I'm going to take a big square scarf, which I folded into a triangle. I'm going to lay that down on top of my head and insert some bobby pins on top to hold this down, make sure it doesn't slip away. I'm going to pull the 2 points underneath my head, cross them over, and then pull them back to the top, where I'm going to tie a double knot in the ends here. And there is the second hairstyle done. If you wanted, you could wear your hair up under this to make sure that it's really shielded from the sun. Before we move on to the next hair tutorial, I just wanted to briefly talk about today's sponsor, Function of Beauty. Function of Beauty make customizable hair care, and I have been using their products for over half a year now, and I must honestly say my hair looks so good since I have been using their products. They are perfectly tailored to my hair, which I absolutely love. Any hair issues or particularities that I have, I can address with these products. It's actually really simple. You go onto their website, you fill out this quick little 2-minute quiz where you input everything, all the details about your hair. You get to choose your color and fragrance. I went for color free this time, and the fragrance I chose, guys, oh my gosh. Oh, they have this amazing, very herbally lavender scent. True lavender. I love lavender in my beauty products, and this is, just gorgeous smell. So when you've chosen your color and your fragrance and the intensity of your fragrance, you get to choose what name is printed on the bottle. So mine says Function of Lucy. You can't see it really well because the product itself is white too, but I absolutely love that little personalization there. My hair profile is straight, fine and oily hair, and the hair goals that I choose for my products are to hydrate, nourish roots, replenish hair, soothe scalp, and strengthen. I do feel like my hair has been looking amazing and it feels so soft and shiny, and I'm all over these products. They also sent me their leave-in treatment, which I have been using for a few weeks now, and that's just amazing as well. They also have masks and serums, and they are all also customized to your particular hair goals. All their products are vegan and cruelty-free. They don't contain any parabens or sulfates, GMOs or toxins whatsoever, which is fantastic. Function of Beauty are kindly offering a discount for my viewers, so you can follow the link in the description to get 20% off of your first order on their website. A massive thank you to Function of Beauty for sponsoring this video, and let's move on to the next hairstyles. So for this one, I am going to once again separate out the front sections of my hair. We are going to make those poofs again, but for this style, I am going to pull all of my hair into a high ponytail right around my temple, I guess. If you have a little bit more hair than I do, or it's thicker or longer, you could just do a section, but essentially I'm going to braid this. So use as much hair as you need to get a nice thickness of braid. So I'm tying my braid off with a hair elastic. I'm going to pull it to the other side. Make sure that the braid is as even as possible first. So I'm gently tugging on the outside of the smaller loops to try and even out the size. So then I'm just pinning it down on the other side, and I'm going to make my little poofs. Again, just backcombing gently. And pin it back over the end of the braid so that you can't see where it ends. Same thing on the other side, but this time I'm hiding the beginning and the base of the ponytail. There we go, and then I'm going to take the scarf again, but this time the point of the triangle is on the front, so towards my face, and I'm going to tie a knot over it. Again, insert some bobby pins if the scarf keeps slipping away. Then I'm going to pull back the point, make a second knot on top of it, and I'm going to tuck away the ends underneath the scarf. And there is this hairstyle done as well. For the next style, I'm going to start with a side parting, and then I'm going to separate out the front section of my hair and pull everything else back into a side braid. I was going to say ponytail, it's a braid. So I'm just going to braid my hair all the way down, then secure it with a hair elastic and kind of fluff up the braid again to make it a little bit more voluminous. Then with the front portion of hair, I'm going to make a little roll. I'm kind of positioning this to look like side bangs or just kind of hair that sweeps across the front of my face. And I'm then pinning down my roll, trying to make sure to hide the bobby pins as I do this so that they're not just crossed over the top. So then I'm taking another rectangular scarf, which I am going to tie on the opposite side of my braid this time. And again, I do need some bobby pins to hold this, so I'm using one of them to just reinforce that roll a little bit, as well as hold the scarf, and then one on the opposite side of that. And there is this hairstyle done as well. By the way, you can do most of these with different scarf shapes, just experiment with whatever you have. For the next style, I'm going to start by pulling my hair into a low ponytail. Then I'm going to slide my elastic down just a little bit to make some room. I'm going to separate that ponytail and flip it kind of in on itself, I guess, to create this little loopy shape, and I'm going to do that twice. And then the third time, I'm just going to take the ends that are left here and tuck them away underneath that roll. Pin this down with a couple of bobby pins to make sure it's nice and secure. And I'm also just going to pull up the sides a little bit. There we go, that is the base of your hairstyle done. And this is the perfect hairstyle to wear with a nice sun hat. So I have this one here which has a scarf on top, so I just pop that on, and I'm going to tie the scarf in the back for this one. And again, a perfect summery hairstyle. So with the same hairstyle, you could also wrap this up in a scarf. So I have that same rectangular scarf that I used in the beginning, and I'm just wrapping it around my hair, tying it on top. This doesn't protect the top of your head, but it does protect your ends, and it helps keep your hair off of your neck. And that's it, guys. Those are the summer sun protection hairstyles that I wanted to share with you today. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Found it helpful maybe. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for loads more beauty and lifestyle content. There is another video here that I think you might also enjoy. You can go watch next. Don't forget to check out the link in the description box for the discount for Function of Beauty. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!